Hello friend, this is from Karvil machinery technology company China. Here is the new finished 2 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for Thailand client used in solid powder material mixing and reaction industry. For this mixer, we equipped a temperature controller on the backside, connected wire pipes with a mixing chamber jacket to achieve the heating function. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and high-tooth fit reducer, Chinese first brand reducer, to guarantee the mixing power. For the electricity part, we use Schneider brand as main components. Material contact part, we use stainless steel and mirror polish. This is the top lid, the whole part, make it stainless steel. We equip 2 windows, one with light, another for check, vacuum meter, valves. And this is a hand wheel reducer for the cylinder tilting during the material discharging part. And now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for the basic mixing function. Let's focus on the panel. In water panel, watt meter and meter, temperature display for the inside the material and the jacket. This is the speed control, emergency stop button. I release it first. This is for buttons part, mixing forward, reverse, and stop. Vacuum pump start and stop. Okay, now I open the top lid light and we can check via another window. Mixing forward direction. We can control the speed here. Let's test the max speed 42. Speed down, speed up. This is easy. Let's check. Now please, I rotating the forward direction. Okay. I stop it. And then we test the reverse direction. Make it half speed. Now please rotate in the reverse direction. 2 sigma blades. And then we test the max speed, 42. Working stable, no problem. And next, I would like to test the safety protection system. I open the top lid and then the mixer stopped. Also for the top lid inside sealing material, we use floor rubber material. It is according to client requirement. Just now I opened the top lid, the mixer stopped for safety consideration. However, even in this situation, I can also drive the blades both forward and reverse direction. How to make it like this? Keep my finger on the forward direction continuously, not remove my finger. We can see the blades rotate forward direction. No problem. However, remove, it will stop. It is the same principle for the reverse direction. Like this, keep my finger on the buttons continuously. Place reverse direction, rotating. Remove, stop. This is convenient for the maintenance, cleaning, and material discharging period. Just now, I have made a simple test for the basic mixing function of the new finished 2 liters model lab scale kneader mixer for Thailand client. If you have any interest for it, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company China. Thanks for watching.